When we are wrapped up in nature, it changes everything. All the emotions, all the thoughts, somehow they seem to disappear in the beauty, in the moment. You can hear the wind, you can hear the birds. You just walk. You're part of it. It's beautiful. It's calm, it's peaceful, it's quiet. It is the way to reset. It is the way to come to our senses. And actually, look at this. Beautiful water fountain. Now with a clear mind, with a fresh brain, when I look at nature, when I look at how things are done, but also I'm thinking of technology. It helps us to unify. It helps me to reach out to you guys, and it helps you to listen to whatever you want to listen to. I think we need to choose wisely and select wisely and ensure that right things are going into our brains. Because that information can either guide you towards light, towards beauty, towards oneness, or that information can numb you and entertain you, and it's an escape. Come to nature. If you can find opportunity to do that, take it, do it. I feel extremely grateful that I'm able to come and visit this beautiful place. One of the nicest forests that I've ever seen. It just wraps you up so nicely. Nature is amazing. Clear mind, fresh look, and a little bit of a break to all the speedy and buzzy environment in our busy lives. Much love to you all. Peace out.